Gavana ma Kisii Simba Arati ochano chenro mar kowo yedhe ne kuonde thieth duto mag kaunti no e yo manyasani. Gavana no lero chenro no biro jiwo kedo kod mibadhi ma ogo tach e sekta mar thieth e kaunti no, ka owacho ni picha mag wang' dede kata CCTV biro keti e kar od thieth maduong' ma Kisii kod geche duto machwalo yedhe e kaunti no. Yedhe go mane omwonyo omenda maromo siling milion 27 ibiro ndiko piny mokwongo kapok ochwalgi e kar ute thieth manitiere kaunti no, ka kambi mar Huawei ema omi tenda mar keyo yedhe e yor lony manyasani.
I stopped payment of 29 million because I was not very sure if those things were delivered. And indeed, from the auditor, the internal auditor has confirmed out of 29 million is only 17 to be paid. Therefore, it's something that we must tame, and exactly that's why I decided to have this exercise. We're going to put around CCTV, which are intelligence CCTVs, which can identify people even when they are in their own vehicles, when they are carrying drugs from here. And it can report clearly what is happening. That's what I think they have already installed some, but they are around. Well, yeah, they are around. They are going to do that. That's a bit of what we are going to do. We are going to do these ones to the sub-county level, to the ward level.
Governor is determined. He is ready to change our county to the next level. For the professionals who are here, please stay at work. We have discussed, Governor has guided that he will make sure that the salaries are going to be paid on time, your allowances will be sorted out. But please, also, all of you who are professionals, be in the facilities that you've been assigned so that our people can get the services. We are not asking for anything else.